Back now with better health. Today we're making a dessert that's low in fat but high in protein so you can stay on track with your diet. Joining us now is Ashley Brodeur of Active Lifestyle Fitness to show us how to make it. It looks good.
Yeah,
like a breakfast dessert.
Yeah, can be breakfast, can be snack.
Dessert's
can be
good for any time.
I mean, but it's good for dessert. So most people are looking for something sweet to have after they eat. So
True.
This is a great option. And we're almost at the time where all the fruit is coming into season.
I love
so
it.
yes,
Yep.
Another creative idea. However, I did use frozen berries
That's
today.
okay.
So
they're not there yet.
We're gonna go the easy way today. So basically, we've got a crumble on top that we got to make. We're gonna put the berries in the bowl. You need some type of like oven safe glass or ceramic type bowl to use for this, because you're just going to take this literally and put it right in the oven.
So as it was like this,
yes,
just came out of the oven like that.
Put it right in the oven.
Okay.
Done. So I'm going to have you make the crumble and I'm going to put the berries in the bowl. So what we have is a 1/4 cup of oats.
It's already measured out?
Yes, I already measured that out. We've got a scoop of vanilla protein powder. You can use whatever protein powder you want. You can dump the whole thing. I already measured it out.
Oh, that is one scoop. Got it.
Yeah.
This threw me off.
And I chopped up 10 almonds, and
Very
just because we're
specific.
being exact with our measurements here, because you want to make sure
Counting
you get
your calories and everything.
exactly. And then 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now I went the lazy route, and I got just the squeezable lemon there. But if you wanted to be fancy, I suppose you could
You could actually
squeeze your
squeeze a
own
lemon?
Yes.
Any difference or no?
And using, I haven't
real
tried
lemon?
either, but I
Okay.
don't think it would be much difference. So that one's a 1/2 tablespoon. Let's do 4 of those.
Got it.
Just so you have enough. And then I'm just doing a cup of berries here. We're just pouring this right into the bowl. I got the mixed berries. You can do whatever berries. If you like raspberries better than blackberries or what have you, you can certainly do, or strawberries. And I use stevia, but you can use any kind of stevia or any kind of sweetener that you want for that. I'm going to put this right over the berries here. So you're going to mix that up into a crumble.
This is pretty
Crumble
easy.
consistency.
It looks fancy, but it is easy.
And because I like extra sweet, we're also going to put a packet of stevia in here too.
Sweeten it up.
Mix that up, yeah. And so once you get like a crumble consistency, with this you have to be careful, because if you put too much liquid, it gets like hard and more crunchy than crumbly. So once you get kind of a crumbly consistency, you're going to go ahead and you're going to dump it on top of the berries here.
Oh, we're doing it this way.
Yes.
I see.
And kind of even it out so it's...
Put the protein powder in there.
There you go.
Mix it up.
And then what you're going to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You're going to pop this in the oven just as it is for 15 minutes. Then you're going to turn it to broil for 1 to 2 minutes. That's what gets the nice brown kind of crust on the top there. And then perfect, eat it right as soon as it comes out of the oven. That's what we were talking about before. This one's gotten a little soggy because it's been a couple hours, but
that's okay.
Yeah, eat it right as soon
good.
It's nice and warm, and it tastes like a nice warm dessert right out of the oven. So high protein.
How many calories is this?
It's about 300 calories. You've got high protein. You got 29 grams of protein,
Wow.
34 grams of carbs, and they're all healthy carbs. You got your fruit, you got your oats in there. High in fiber. You got 9 grams of fiber, 11 grams of sugar, but that's all from your berries, so no big deal. But it's a great healthy way to get a little sweetened dessert after your meal.
It's so easy.
Yeah.
There's no excuses here. If you want it quick, a lot of people have these ingredients anyways, so why not?
Super easy.
All right, good call. Thanks so much, Ashley.
Thanks.